DevOps is one of the most exciting fields in tech right now. In this video, I'll take you step by step through everything you need to know to become a DevOps engineer in 2025. By the end of this video, you have a crystal clear roadmap to kickstart your DevOps journey even if you started from scratch. So before getting to the how, let's understand the why. Why is DevOps in such high demand? Here's the problem. Traditional IT teams work in silos. Developers write code, pass it to the operations team, and when things go wrong, it's a blame game. So this slows down innovation and frustrates everyone involved. DevOps tries to bridge this gap by promoting a culture of collaboration, automation, and continuous improvements. It's not just a set of tools. It's a mindset that helps teams deliver faster and more reliable software. Now that we understand the why, let's talk about the how. The first step is building a strong foundation. To build anything, you need a strong foundation. In DevOps, the foundation are essential to everything you do later. So before you get into the shiny DevOps tools, you need to build a strong foundation. Think of this like learning the alphabet before writing a book. It is that important. First on the list is Linux. Linux is a foundational pillar of DevOps. You spend a significant part of your career working with Linux. Most servers, cloud environments, and even containerized applications run on Linux. So you can start by learning basic commands like ls, cd, kwd, and other essential commands that you use daily to navigate and manage the system. You need to understand how to create users, set permission, and secure your system. You also need to understand how Linux organizes its file system. Also learn how to monitor system performance, check logs, and troubleshoot issues. These skills will help you to ensure that your servers are running smoothly. Spend time practicing these commands in your terminal. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. Next up is networking. You don't have to be a networking guru before you make a solid grasp of the basics. Everything you do in DevOps depends on a reliable network communication. Your applications need to talk to each other. Your users need to connect to the servers. Your containers need to communicate seamlessly, and your load balancer must know where to direct traffic. So none of this happens without network. For example, when deploying in the cloud, you need to configure virtual private network, security groups, and firewall. When you're running a Kubernetes cluster, you're essentially creating a mini network. Pods, services, and ingress controllers. All of this require a good understanding of how network works to ensure that your application can scale and communicate efficiently. So network is what makes your infrastructure, applications, and services actually work. Don't skip it. Make time to learn and experiment the basics. It is one of the foundational skills that will serve you throughout your entire DevOps career. Next is Git. Git is the foundation of collaboration in modern software team. You need Git to track changes, collaborate on code, and even trigger automated workflows in CICD pipeline. Every line of code you write has a history, and Git keeps a record of that. You always tell who made a change, when they made it, and most importantly, why. So learn how to create, merge, and manage branches, and also resolve conflicts. So this is where many beginners struggle, but it's a skill that you can't skip. This isn't just about collaboration, it's the backbone of automation. It is what connects your code base to the entire DevOps lifecycle. Once you've learned the foundation, it is time to move into the real world tools that define DevOps workflow. First one is scripting. Scripting is an absolute must-have skill for any DevOps engineer. DevOps is automation, and automation is scripting. Whether you're working with Bash, Python, or another language, the goal is the same: to simplify and streamline. Bash scripting is a great starting point for automating tasks. It is lightweight, straightforward, and perfect for tasks like managing files, automating servers updates, or handling system configuration. But you also need Python for more complex workflows like creating workflows that interact with APIs. So with scripting, you can set up cron job and automate repetitive tasks. Next is cloud computing. You need to pick any cloud platform like AWS, Azure, or GCP. As a DevOps engineer, you deploy applications and managing infrastructure in cloud. So start with the basic services like setting up virtual machine and storage solution, configuring network and security groups, then explore advanced features like serverless computing. With the CICD, CICD makes DevOps so powerful by driving faster and more reliable software delivery. But it's not just about the speed. It's about creating a system where changes can be tested, integrated, and deployed. CI means continuous integration. It's all about automating the process of integrating code into a central repository. So every time a developer pushes in code, it triggers an automated pipeline that tests the code. So this pipeline typically runs unit tests, check the code quality, and ensures that the new code doesn't break anything already in place. CICD takes CI one step further by automating the deployment process. To get started with CICD, pick a tool that fits your workflow like Jenkins, GitHub Action, GitLab, or CircleCI. Learn about pipeline scripting, deployment strategies, and robot mechanisms. Start by creating a simple pipeline that runs unit tests and build your application. Then, as you grow more comfortable, add steps for packaging, deploying, and testing in multiple environments. Next up is IaaS, Infrastructure as Code. With IaaS tools, you write scripts to manage servers, networks, and even more. So it allows you to describe what your environment should look like from the servers and database to load balancers and network configurations. Imagine spinning up hundreds of servers with a single command. That's the power of IaaS. But IaaS isn't just about automation. It's about consistency. Whether you're deploying to AWS, Azure, GCP, or even on-prem, IaaS ensures that your automation looks and behaves exactly the same way every single time. Start with tools like Terraform to write a basic script to provision a virtual machine or a database. Then you can also learn tools like Ansible to configure your server. Next up, Containerisation and Orchestration. Think of containers like little packages that hold everything an application needs to run, like code, dependencies, configuration, and even runtime vulnerabilities. So the magic here is consistency. Whether you're running your app on a developer's laptop, a test environment, or a production zone, it behaves exactly the same. Docker is the go-to tool for this. It allows you to containerize your application in lightweight and portable units. You can spin up containers in seconds, making development faster and deployment seamless. But what happens when you have dozens or even hundreds of containers running? Managing them manually isn't realistic, so this is where orchestration comes in. Just like Kubernetes, there's the complexity of managing multiple containers and simplify it into a structured and automated process. You can start by learning how to containerize a simple application. Explore Docker files, Docker compose, and multiple stage build to optimize your build. Then move to Kubernetes, set up a local cluster with tools like Minikube and practice deploying and scaling application. Also dig into advanced concepts like Helm chart for managing configurations. Next up is monitoring and logging. In DevOps, no system is perfect. No deployment is ever flawless and issues will always arise. So the question is this: how quickly can you detect them? How quickly can you understand the root cause and fix them before they impact your users? That is where monitoring and logging comes in. Monitoring is about tracking the health and performance of your systems in real time. Think of it like having a dashboard for your car. It shows you how much fuel you have, the engine temperature, and your speed. So in the same way, monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Datadog helps you visualize CPU usage, memory consumption, request rate, and even more. For these metrics are your early warning system. If something spikes or drops unexpectedly, can act before it becomes a full-blown issue. Logging, on the other hand, is like the diary of your application. It keeps the record of everything happening under the hood, like your errors, warnings, system event, and even users' action. But when something goes wrong, the logs are your best detective tools. We show you exactly what happened, when it happened, and often why. But here's the thing. Good logging isn't just about capturing data. It's about structuring it in a way that is easy to search, filter, and analyze. You can learn tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, ELK to help analyze issues and debug faster. Finally, security. Security in DevOps is so critical. The faster you deliver, the more you need to ensure that your systems are secure. You're not just protecting the application, you're also protecting users' data. So every piece of software you deploy can have vulnerabilities. So you need to integrate security into your workflows. So you need to learn tools like Trivy for vulnerabilities and scanning, and also Vault for security management. Now here's the most important advice. Apply what you've learned by building reward projects. Theory is great, but reward experience is what will set you apart. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to become a DevOps engineer in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section, what is the one DevOps skill you're most excited to